Hey guys, happy Sunday. Today Anushka and I are going to a Labor Day party in Seaford. Should be good. She's getting ready. I don't even know if you could see that. What a great background for my outfit of the day. Trash. Trash. And more trash. And more trash. Outfit of the day. Target. 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 My bathing suit bottoms. Target. And Old Navy.
Alabama, Nike from Dick's, and this from Walmart.
Oh, there's one over there. You see him? Yeah, there's one. There's one. Hello. 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 Wow. Yeah, this looks good. Delicious. What are you doing? Hey Morgan, where'd your other piece of watermelon go? Well, it's nowhere around. Hey. Hey. Oh, he wants your food. We know your tricks. Yeah, we know your tricks. You just want us for the food, huh? I don't have any food. I only have a drink.
Face massage.
So she's slow to everything.
Rhiannon did, or? I think she's very protective and she's starting to get I think she's getting quite crazy. Right over the net, and they almost lost their second game to yeah, they almost.
There she goes again.
There she goes again.
Yeah, I made sure I went to camp.
She surprised us all from college.
Yeah.
No one knew she was coming.
That's me.
Aww.
Made her dad cry.
Is this live?
Live? How you doing, Randy?
I do good.
Do good.
Mwah.
This is the one and only Randolph. Everyone needs a Randolph in their life, and this is it.
I'm the only one. So.
Cold? Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, my nails look good. Wow. Nah.
Pretty hair.
Coach plays favorites. Hi, pretty.
I did my room in blue. I remember that. Colors. What am I supposed
Video.
to do? Oh.
No, I'm just leaving it there.
So is it on?
Yeah.
Oh.
I would dunk you, but I don't want your hair
That's
to
why I'm in charge
die the
of
pool.
the camera.
Yeah. Actually, that'd be kind of cool. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. No! Wait!
Undo or on 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, jump. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect.
Okay. Well, you lost the ball again.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Yeah, right now.
What in the?
Yeah, because you've been off longer.
You guys suck. Wait.
Oh, in front of the camera.
The diving board, basically. Wait till we have to get up there.
Thumbnail received.
Can't do it.
I bought one of those.
Okay, this is gonna die.
Can I just tell you?
Oh!
I'm holding the camera. They're not going to get me wet now.
There you go. You're safe. I am safe. Hey.
all family here, one way or another.
He's filling it.
Oh, that's heavy.
Oh, wow. And she's like, I met these people, they were all mean to each other, but they seemed to enjoy it. I don't get it.
Yeah, where's the music? I'm in a store and I'm singing.
That is the most beautiful music I've heard in my life.
I am singing.
I'm in a store and I'm singing.
We are singing.
Of course, I'm recording all this so they can hear everything I'm saying.
My phone
And are singing.
coconut, your fault.
Oh no.
He said enough of this foolishness. I'm gonna hit it out.
Butterfly.
Oh!
You got that! Oh wow.
Ah ha ha!
Did you get my burp in the background of that one? Mallory, there's part of the video with my burp in the background. You have to put it on there.
I have like 20 of your birds.
I know.
Was it free?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What in God's name is that, Mallory? What was that? You made me crazy!
That was crap.
There's a grain of sand over there. Don't worry.
Crap beach. Beach crap. How are my girls doing out there?
They're doing great.
Oh, yeah, let's go! Get it! Oh, Jesus.
Another one! Mallory, that makes 2!
Guys, we're not paddleboarding, kayaking. We're kayaking on the lake.
Oh my God, I'm going the other way.
She's never kayaked before. Yeah, don't go near the dam. You're gonna fall straight down it. How are you doing?
Not so great.
She's not going very fast, but somehow I'm doing pretty good. Let me do this one-handed. Oh, whoa. Okay, I can't do it as well one-handed, but.
Come back.
What? Hurry up, you take forever. She is not very good at kayaking. What? Might go back out actually. I don't know yet. Are you zooming in?
Oh, zooming back out.
Oh. Huh? Oh yeah.
Paddleboat?
Can you get a picture of us?
Taking a video of you right now.
Yeah, I know, but can we get a picture? Here you go. 8th grade. Oh my god. Yeah, really. You've been in it before? Yes. No, you can stop now.
Mallory, you always got this camera in your face.
What?
You always got this camera, bro.
This is a phone.
Oh, I know, but still. You know what I mean. Hi, guys. It's me again. I'm back. Better than ever.
College student.
College student now.
College athlete.
No longer just a high school college. No longer just a high school graduate, high school athlete. I'm a college athlete now. I'm like official. I'm on the roster. I got stats and stuff.
Oh, she's doing big things in life.
Doing great things. Like,
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. That looks good. Oh, I don't think you got him. Ah, you got him.
That went far.
I missed it. Oh, you gotta do it again. It was 92 degrees today at practice. I almost passed out. But yeah, I just got back. It's like 4:07. Oh, also, Catherine's my background if you're watching this. Love that picture. My mom got me the cutest card yesterday. It says, "The desert works constantly to forbid it, and still the cactus blooms." It is so cute, so I hung it up on my wall. So I'm having a chill Monday, and I was supposed to go to UD and play volleyball with my friend. It is so hot, and I probably would have passed out and died, so I didn't go. But right now it's 6 o'clock. I'm watching Lindsay's vlog, Lindsay Hughes. I love watching her vlogs because they're so long. This one's 22 minutes long, and I just love like putting it on and just like doing other stuff or like cleaning my room, whatever, while I watch it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm also eating these snacks. I'm actually almost out, but my friend from India got me these and they're really good. They're called Bakar Wadi. I don't know, but that's what they look like, and they're really good. They're like spicy. I thought they were like chocolate when I looked at it, but they're like spicy little like snacks. We start classes tomorrow, which I don't have classes on Tuesday, so I don't start till Wednesday. And my schedule is actually like I have a class Monday night and I have a class Wednesday night, and each one's from 5:30 to 10:30, so 5 hours. So yeah, I only have Wednesday this week because today's Labor Day, so I didn't have my Monday class, but I have Wednesday this week, and then after that I have my regular like Monday night and Wednesday night class. So yeah, that is my schedule for like the first month and a half, like the first block. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I took a shower, which felt really good because I was absolutely disgusting. So yeah, I could smell how bad I smelled. Like, it was gross. It's so cozy in my room right now. I like shut my blinds, so it's like pretty dark in here right now. And I also have to put up this stuff because it was drying on my door. But yeah, I really want to do a room tour soon, but I don't know. I still want to like change a few pictures up here, maybe like just 2, and like put new ones on. But other than that, like I'm pretty much done, so I kind of want to get that up like this week. I just made my second smoothie of the day, guys. I'm obsessed with these. This is a little bit of ice, a banana, strawberries, orange juice, protein powder, just like vanilla, and then some honey, and it's so good, you guys. Dinner of the night, we got some pizza rolls, some rice, and some shrimp. And Anushka. So that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm about to watch a movie with my teammate. We're gonna watch 13 going on 30 and just have some popcorn and have a chill movie night because she's never seen it. Like, how have you not seen that movie? I don't know. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.